I'm supporting Future Factory because it's a vital step in the roadmap towards Print for All 2022. Participating in this event for Uteco offers a unique opportunity to come together and share ideas, perspectives and future scenarios for the printing, converting and packaging sector in general with all the main industry players. We're supporting Future Factory because we believe in the concept of industry-wide community and cooperation. By working together today, we're ensuring a successful future tomorrow. I'm supporting Future Factory because it gives our community the chance to come together after a very challenging period that has affected all of our businesses. It's important for us to see each other again, meet up face to face, and hammer out our future strategies. I'm supporting Future Factory because sustainability, Industry 4.0 and human capital are the key elements that all companies will have to focus on. We are proud to be members of Achimga, an association that continues to roll out major initiatives for the businesses of the future.